T2215 Tank 400 Side Window Storage Panel Installation Guide. Install the longitudinal bar clamp behind the longitudinal bar. After aligning the brackets, install the second bracket. Install 4 screws. Mount the side-mounted main body onto the vehicle. Install the top trim piece, align with the holes, and tighten the screws. Adjust the suction cups and press tightly against the vehicle body. Tighten all screws. Next, demonstrate the installation of the fuel can extension. Remove the external trim panel. Install 4 bolts at this position. Install the bracket by aligning with the holes. Tighten the nuts after confirming the position is correct. Reinstall the fixing knob. Install the fuel tank. Tighten the fuel can fixing knob. Installation guide ends here. Thank you for choosing T2215.